Can you make the same money without wasting time stripping wires? Today, I'm finding out how much scrapyards pay for insulated wire, burned copper, clean, stripped copper. Does more work mean more profit, or just lost time? To keep this test fair, I'll prepare 3 kilograms of cable of the same gauge, 1 kilogram for each method we're going to test. I'll cut the cables into equal pieces of about 15 centimeters to make them easier to process and more visible in the video. After a few minutes of work, I ended up with 3 equal bundles of cable. I carefully adjusted their weight so that all of them are identical. We'll start with burning the cable. For this, I first build a wood fire to reach a higher temperature so the cable burns faster. I want to mention that I am totally against burning wires, and this test reminded me once again how harmful the smoke and toxic fumes are during the process. Do not try this. I decided to do this only in response to people who comment that I'm wasting time and that burning is easier. Besides being harmful, this process is also very messy. Just look at how my gloves looked at the beginning and how they look now. And the copper I got is also very dirty. The cable is burned, and now we take one of the 2 remaining bundles and start removing the insulation. To pull the wires out of the black outer insulation, I'll use pliers. Grab and pull them out. Then I'll run the wires through the copper eater to remove the final insulation. I noticed that even though burned copper is dirty and should technically weigh more than clean copper, its weight actually dropped by 30 grams during burning. That's another major downside of burning, on top of the ones already mentioned. Now we're heading to the scrapyard to see how much money we get for each type of copper we have. Now on your screen, you can see how much money I made, along with the price per kilogram for each category. To make it easier to understand, I converted everything into US dollars. For the double insulated cable, I received $2.18, for burned copper, $3.60, and for clean copper, $4.70. My final conclusion is that if you have the time, copper should be properly recycled and cleaned, but it should never be burned. You lose both weight and value. If you don't have time, you can sell it insulated, but you'll lose almost half the money you could make by cleaning it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel and check out my other videos. Once we reach 500 likes, I'll post a new one. Bye!